Good morning, everyone. This is Urhobo Bible reading platform. We are continuing with Matthew chapter 1, verse 5 to 8 in Urhobo language. Hobe Matthew Uyobi Royin Ovo Hawo Royin Iyorin Rite Re. Verse 5. Simon Koyin Osere Boaz Rehab Vieri Boaz Koyin Ose Re Obed Re Rutu Vieri Obed Koyin Ose Re Jesse. Verse 6. Jesse Koyin Ose Re David Re Ovie David Koyin Ra Ose Re Solomon Re Aye Re Uriah Wieke. Verse 7. Solomon Koyin Ose Rehoboam Koyin Ose Ahijah Koyin Ose Asa. Verse 8. Asa Koyin Ose Jehoshaphat Koyin Ose Joram Koyin Ose Uzziah. Thank you from Simeon.